In the vastness of the cosmos, an unimaginable spectacle unfolds. Beyond our wildest dreams there exists a universe so vast, so ancient, that it challenges everything we think we know. Within the heart of nebulas, stars are born from the dust of dead worlds. Over millions of years, hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, and from this process, light and heat are unleashed, the very forces that power the universe. At the heart of galaxies, black holes reside. These cosmic giants devour everything in their path. Their gravity is so powerful it bends space and time, creating a phenomenon known as a singularity, a point where the laws of physics break down. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong not even light can escape. And yet, our Milky Way galaxy, home to over 100 billion stars, is but one of billions in the known universe. The observable universe spans over 93 billion light-years, a scale that our minds can barely comprehend. In the depths of space, we encounter something even more mysterious: dark matter and dark energy. Together, they make up about 95% of the universe's mass energy content. And yet, we can't see them. We can only detect their presence by their influence on visible matter. We see only 5% of the universe. On rare planets like Earth, life has found a way to thrive, but the environment is unforgiving. Radiation from the stars, cosmic rays, and the harsh cold of space are constant threats. Only a fragile balance allows life to flourish in such a hostile environment. The universe itself is expanding. Distant galaxies race away from us, and the fabric of space itself stretches, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. This expansion has been happening since the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago. The universe is still expanding, growing at an accelerating rate. As stars age, they burn out and die, some in spectacular supernova explosions, leaving behind dense remnants. In the distant future, the universe may grow colder and darker as stars burn out and galaxies drift apart. It's a chilling vision of our cosmic destiny, and yet, even in the silence of the void, the universe speaks to us, a grand symphony of energy, matter, and time. Every discovery, every glimpse into the unknown, brings us closer to understanding the very environment we inhabit. We are but a fleeting moment in the eternal cosmos. The universe is infinite. Its mysteries are only beginning to unfold.